Hello. Okay, today I'd like to do a video about TEB 1123 network management. So, in our group consists of four students. The first one is Priyanka SIVAKUMAR and PRIYA ENDARA KUMAR, Muhammad BASIRUDDIN, and NATHANEEL NAAVIN. Okay, so our group has picked online book bookstore as the big business organization. So, description: an online bookstore where the user would be allowed to scroll through catalogs of books and place order by adding them into the cart. So basically, it's more like an online conception of a bookstore where you can go through. There are many types of book, and it will be arranged according to the search, the genre, or the author, or the book title. And then if customer wants to buy it, then they add into the cart, and then that's how it goes to the payment system. So the IT infrastructure, there's two: the hardware and software. So basically, the hardware we are using is CPU, PC, router, hub, switch, printer, scanner, fax machine, and phone. As for the software, is word processor, database, SQL, internet browser, spreadsheet, and email. Alright. As you can see, this is our topology design. We designed the network topology as above. A switch is connected to multiple computers in different VLAN. Switch is also connected to a router. I will explain this later in a deeper version. Um, for the open source NMS, this is the status overview. As you can see, the business service is 5 normal, alarms 46, and outages is 37 normal, 5 minor, and 3 major. From the NMS, we can gain the statistics of how the network flows and affects the others. And on the right side here is the network interface of the outages and availabilities. As you can see, database server and JMX server are 100% 0 out of 0 outages. Yeah. So now I'll explain about the topology, the things that we use in this topology. Firstly, we have a cloud, then we have a router, then we have a switch, and then we have 5 different PCs with different IP addresses. For the first part, the cloud is the place where we store database online. It's not in this PC. It's not in the PC, or it's not in that local area network. It is stored online. And the router's function is to connect the PC, which is connected to the switch over here, to allow a gateway of internet access to the cloud so that they can have data from the cloud. So the switch is the one that connects the PC to the router, and the switch is, we do a VLAN system so that each PC can't ping the other PC. This is because each PC has their own different department. Like example, for PC1, it's cashier, and PC2 is book database. Yeah. So each PC has its own purposes, and we do not want each PC to ping each other. So this is why we create the VLAN system under the switch so that it does not ping each other. So as for the offline database, is set in the router, this router R2 here. Yeah, with the Ethernet 0-0-0 and GE 0-01. Yeah, so the database is stored there, and after this, each PC, after PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4, and PC5 has done their work, the data will be stored in router, and after everything is done, then router will upload it to the cloud. So but there's an offline backup in that router. Router is the gateway for this local area network, this PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5, to connect to the cloud. Yeah. um as for the cloud, um the cloud yeah, the cloud we build or building info is on UDP. and the port type is internet. As you can see here, oh no, sorry, the port type is not internet, the port type is GE. As you can see here, there's two port number 1 and port number 2. The UDP port is 9568 and the second one is 8343. So this is because we want to create a local port for the router to connect to the cloud. So this is then the gateway for the router and the cloud. So okay, as this is for the cloud, yeah. So okay, so for now, I'm going to show you the demo for our ENSP. So first, we would like to start all the device, right? Starting the router, starting PC, right? Then we start the switch. Okay. So when all the device is started, and then there will be a green connection from the cloud to the router, and then we enter the router console. So the first thing is, yeah, we enter the system view, right? Then we enter the interface gigabit, internet gigabit, right? Once we have entered there, then we will set the IP address. So I'm going to set it to 192.168.0.1, right? Okay. There we should add the 2525 at the back there. 255.255. Okay. Right. Okay. The address already exists. Yeah, because this is a pre-installed router. Just showing you the how to insert the IP address. Okay. So the next part is we open the CLI router inside the system view. Here we undo the shutdown. Okay. Then we go back to SYS system view. So SNMP agent. As you can see, this is the SNMP agent. So this is a system info. Yeah, SNMP agent system info. We update our location to Perak. Okay, that's how we update it to update the location to Perak. The next, we will display SNMP agent SYS info. Yeah, so now you can see that the contact person for this managed node is store number HP012604235, and the physical location of this node is at Perak. So it's already saved in the database, and the SNMP version running in the system is SNMP v3. Okay, so now is the SNMP agent group v3 USM SNMP v3 security mode specified for this group name. So this is group v3, yeah? Right. v3. So we're saving it as SNMP agent group V3 labs. Okay, this is how you access SNMP agent group V3 labs privacy. This is to implement the group security. Yeah? Okay, so this is SNMP agent group V3 lab privacy right view writer. SNMP agent USM-user V3 LAB5. Right, V3 LAB5. So you can see the thing is string 1 to 32. So SNMP agent USM user V3. Yeah, so we save the name as Priyanka. LA right. LAB right there. Right. So this is already saved there. Saved Priyanka's name in SNMP agent. So now we're gonna display. Display SNMP agent USM user. Yeah, as you can see, the username is Priyanka, and the engine ID is, yeah, you can see here, it's active. So now display SNMP agent USM user group LEB right. So yeah, you can see the username is Priyanka. So now we already saved the name and also engine ID. Okay, so now we quit the system view. Now we are on console view. Then we enter system view again. So SNMP agent. SNMP agent trap. So SNMP agent trap is enabled. So warning, all switches of SNMP trap notification will be open. So do you wish to continue? So we yes, why? Alright. So now we're gonna put the SNMP agent trap source, which is internet 0-0-0. Okay. So now SNMP agent community read lab leb lebm read community, right? So now the SNMP has already read. Yep. So SNMP agent community, we're gonna change the read to write. Okay. Okay, so it's already quit. So we quit. Yeah, so now we are going to save the configuration that we did. So we press yes to confirm the current configuration to be written on this router. So okay, so the current configuration is already been saved. So now we're going to check. So we're going to put display current configuration. Okay, as you can see, all the SNMP agent, the local engine has been saved with the same local engine number. SNMP agent community write LABN read community, SNMP agent SYS info contact store number 01260424435 and so on. As you can see, the location is already been updated and the system information version has been updated, and there's also the user, which is Priyanka lab writer, has been saved, and the user interface is con 04 and 1620. So this is the display of SNMP. So the contact person, the store number HP is been shown, and the location is Perak, and the current version is SNMP v3. Okay, so as you can see, this is the display SNMP statistics. So you can see all the SNMP statistics here is shown on the screen. Message that used to send SNMP community, and message will represent an illegal operation, and so on. Everything is recorded here. Okay, so last is we're gonna verify the SNMP user. So we're gonna display SNMP agent user. So you can see here the user of this SNMP account is Priyanka with the engine ID shown down below, which is active.